So what he's talking about is integrating these people into
that
the
is the
into
point
economy.
I am trying to make.
So
when Dr. Gonsalves raised
you
certain
can't have it both ways.
flesh and blood issues about the social and economic consequences, a lot of people said he should not have used certain words and so on and so forth. But all I suspect he was trying to do was surprise us of these consequences, of the existence and possibilities of these consequences.
Yes, of course.
National security,
but he ought to do that.
Social and economic consequences, impact on our education system, impact on our housing system, and the whole gamut of social and economic life.
So what you want
here in Saint Vincent
yeah,
the
so
Grenadines.
because what Dr. Gonsalves is actually saying to us is that the Garifuna people are human beings just like us.
Exactly.
And among them, there's crooks and vagabonds, con artists, and all people with all the ills throughout the world. And if you integrate in 800,000 people with us,
you have to look at the consequences.
You are going to have among them more thieves, vagabonds, and con artists than the population of Saint Vincent the Grenadines. Yeah? Realistically. What is this man talking about? Yeah? Just out of the top of your head, he pulled this thing out and just basically prattling off his mouth.
He hadn't thought the thing through. He just opportunistic at best.
We must ask Mr. Eustace really
what he means by
or if his opinion of the Garifuna people is that they are virgin